Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this unique rare car. Unique in the sense, this comes with the charging station, EV charging station. This is the urban cars which mimic the real world type of cars. Okay, this is RC car with mini remote that is also looking cute. And these cars are look-alike cars, means for the real world cars. And here in the description it is mentioned like urban cars, remote control car series, high speed remote control car, that is what it is mentioned here. And perfect high simulation vehicle, as I said, these are good for the simulation purpose, means the real world mimic cars, that's what you can say. This is how you need to charge. So in this video, at the end of the video, I'll be testing this charging also. And coming to the scale, 1:22 means you can say like a medium size of car. Next, anything else here? Nothing, just mentioned high speed remote control car. And in the upcoming video we are going to unbox this car also. This is for like 250 rupees. I purchased this for 250 rupees, and this is for nearly 900 rupees. Maybe due to this EV station sort of thing, this a bit costlier. Okay, 3.7 volt battery included, that's it. And forward, backward, front wheel left and front wheel right, and turn left forward, turn right forward, turn left gear, turn right gear. So this remote has 8 channel remote. So that would be one of more added advantage. And I tried to find the similar cars on online, but I couldn't find the exact match. And this is the C type charging, okay, not the EV type of thing. And here it is showing like 600. Anyway, this is a different car. So let us just unbox this and first check what are the box contents. Just you can take this out for the first time. Okay, just take this out. Okay, nothing in the box. Yes, nothing in the box. And remote, the car main unit, and the charging station. Okay, just we need to remove these screws so that we can take out the actual units. Okay, this is the look with the remote with the antenna. Okay, as we read, this is a 8 channel. So forward, backward, the front wheel left rotation, right rotation, right turn, and this is on and off. And what are others controls? I'll just read it for you. If we press both forward and left, turn left forward, turn right forward, turn left gear, turn right gear. Okay, these two. Pressing the down button with the left gear, this is the left gear, and this combination with this like this is the right gear. So this would be fun when playing with this remote control car. And we'll check the main unit now. This is the main unit, and this is a bit heavier only, not very lightweight. So you can say that this is medium quality plastic, you can say, shiny plastic only. The build quality is looking decently good, but not that great. Okay, at the back side you can see on and off button, and here will be the battery. We need to remove this, and we need to charge the battery, and we need to use. And for the remote control also, we need to unscrew this. We need to keep external batteries 1.5 volts. So first do that. Before going, just remove this one also. If you observe the flashlight or the front lights, they are lighting up with high intensity. You can see very and it is mentioned like on the box, this can move up to 30 speed here, 30 km/h travel speed, but I need to test it in the real world actually. But this got really high power motor. Those people who want high speed cars will really like this. And I just checked all over the box, the charging cable here is missing, the adapter that we need to plug into the mobile adapter and we need to charge. And here you can just mimic like real world EV charging car, where you can put up here for the charging, and here there is a cable missing. That is the one thing. I just searched 2 to 3 times over all over the box, and here I inserted the battery, and I inserted two 1.5 volt AA batteries here in the remote, and this is working fine. Yeah, now it is okay. That's all for now. If you want full running of this video, maybe in the different terrain, maybe on the terrace, please do ask in the comments so that I will be definitely doing a video on that. Yeah, thanks for watching.